This is our rubber farm, and rubber trees are grown in the hot and moist places, and rubber plants preferring moderately cool and moist and humidity air. And rubber plant is very large evergreen trees and that grows about 30 to 40 meters. And guys, rubber is used for making of purpose from erasing pencil and some kind of tire and tube and large industrial product. And guys, the rubber plants growing well such as low and light in the highly temperature. And guys, you see, if too much wet and too much dry and too much drafty, then the rubber plant will not be able to live anymore or survive anymore, because in the month of rubber planting season, and the rubber plant is very oily develop in the growth time, because 30 to 40 meters it will be grow, because rubber plant is large evergreen trees. And this is our rubber farm. And guys, we have planted these rubber trees 4 years ago, and totally we have planted more than 600 rubber plants. And you can see, guys, boys are playing at this rubber farm. And guys, you can able to see the betel-nut trees also at this rubber farm. And this rubber farm is not so much far from my house. It is just approximately 100 meters distance, guys. And I will show you beside this rubber farm places. And this is our rubber farm, guys. Wow, what a beautiful rubber farm, guys. You see so many beautiful betel-nut trees also you will get to see at this rubber farm. And you see, guys, boys are also coming to see this beautiful rubber farm. And this beautiful rubber farm is located in Chirang district. And guys, if you really want to know about how to guide the rubber trees and how we should care about the rubber plants, then I will tell you. You just come and see at this time. And at this time the weather is very humidity and air is not so much clear, and the weather is very cloudy and shady trees. Like, wow, you see, guys, so many rubber plants you will get to see. And this rubber plant is very highly developed, and we already get rubber from these trees. And this is the process of rubber, how we can able to produce this rubber system. And there are so many system and process to produce the rubber from the trees. And you see, guys, this is our beautiful rubber farm, guys. And at this time the rubber plant is very oily developed, and the leaves of the rubber are very green and evergreen. And you will see, guys, Here,
Snacks.
so many beautiful leaves. Wow, what a lovely tree.
Snacks.
Thank you guys. We are just coming to see this rubber farm, and boys are also altogether coming to see this beautiful rubber farm. Wow. See, this is the process. How the wow, this is the process of the collecting rubber. Wow. This is the beautiful rubber farm, and these all are the betel nut trees, and we have also just planted more than 400 betel nut trees, guys, and I hope these betel nut trees will be developed in the early time, and we have planted these betel nut trees at least 3 years ago. We are just planted these betel nut trees. Wow. And we just come to see the rubber trees and betel nut trees also, because at this time the mosquito biting on my body and sucking lot of sucking, and my body is very itching because of biting the mosquito, because this place is very moisture and not so much dry. It is just like a humidity and moist, not so much dry. That's why, and this also sucking my blood, and so many leaves you will get to see here, and lot of mosquito, lot of mosquito you will get, because the mosquito are biting lot of on my body, sucking, licking, and my blood is little bit decreasing after biting the mosquito. You see, guys, wow, what a beautiful rubber farm. See, this betel nut tree is already very beautifully developed in the early time, because 2 months ago we are just cleaning this rubber farm, because it was very populated by the defense forest like jungles. Wow. See, thank you guys.